Hello students, today we will learn about PHP variables. So here I'll start with PHP variables are the containers for storing data in the memory temporarily. Each variable should be prefixed with $sign while declaring. PHP are dynamically typed, so at the time of declaration these can be identified identified by their data assignment like numeric or string example $x equal to 10, so it is numeric. Dollar name equal to hic, string. Dollar amount equal to float. Dollar status equal to true boolean, like this. So your data is being identified by the data assignment, and otherwise just declaring variable in PHP will not not identify what kind of data it is storing. Now let us make a program for this and find out what data type it is, because see, in the beginning, as I said, in PHP you will not be declaring with any data type, so how to know them what kind of data it is? So we can make a program for this. Let us go to our programming, there we can do it. See, I have started each PHP program, as we know, starts with PHP tag and end with a question mark tag. Start question mark and add with a question mark with a arrow sign, less than and greater than. Then here how I'll start it. Assume first of all I'll write PHP variables. Now PHP variables, if I want to write a variable, say a, and that variable is having value 10, and another variable I will take b and is value having 20.50, and another variable I will take, say, variable c, that is, say, true, and another variable I will go with the same one, say I'll write true, and then I will take one more variable, say as I took their status, I'll take status, so I will write it as status is say good. And now if I want to know their data types, so what I will write, see, if I want to print variables value, so I will use echo keyword, and with the echo statement I will write here value of a is, so here what I can write here, value of a, so I will write $a and I'll write $a. Similarly, I'll write another variable and the value of that variable is value of b is b, like this. And similarly on the variables you can put more variables here and you can put their values, say status, put status, and here true false you want to return value of, this is status, value of status, status is this, and then after this I can put value of c is it will return true and false, so it will be c. Now here I have written all, so I can run this program, PHP variables and their values. So all are done, so I need to terminate here. Each statement must be terminated, keep in mind please. So here terminate, all are done. Now you can run this program. So what you are going to get, because C is a boolean type, so you will have to keep in mind that. And so value of A is 10, value of B is 20, value of status is good, and value of C is 1. So value of C is 1, true is 1 and false is 0. If you will put it false, C is 1. It is true value, so and it has come 1. Now after this, let us suppose if I want to print, now it is done. If I want to print type of the data type, if I want to print, so what I will write here, echo data type of A is, I'll write here data type of variables, I'll put it as variables. So now I can put data type one by one, and then here it is var dump A, and then you can put some integer type. Similarly you can use this var dump function for others as well, like this. So here you will get B and here you will get status. So here terminate, run it and see what did you get. You get that type of variable A, B and C. Like this you can work with the PHP variables. So this is all about for PHP variables. So thank you very much for seeing this please.